How to change Apple ID password if forgotten. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change Apple ID password if you have forgot. So let's get started. First, open settings on your iOS device. From settings, at the top, simply tap on your Apple ID name. Now from the Apple account section, tap on sign in and security. From the section, tap on change password. Now from here, if you have set any Face ID verification, you'll be able to change from that. After that, you'll have to start a security delay process to change your password. Simply scroll down and tap on Start Security Delay. Like it will last for 1 hour. After 1 hour will be complete, you'll be able to change password of your Apple account. But make sure you have added any Face ID verification. If not, you can as usual recover it by using your any two-factor authentication method or any verification process from your phone number or email. After that, you'll be able to change your Apple ID password. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.